Rebel Squad. You guys know how you take L after L after L in the sneaker game to the point where you're just over it all. For a while, that was me, man. Like during this go round in the sneaker game, not last go round, you know, 2012, 2015, that time, it was a lot easier to get shoes, man. And if they were being resold, they were on eBay for, you know, maybe 50 to 60 bucks over retail. So it wasn't that bad. But now it's just crazy. And I remember one of the biggest L's I ever took in my sneaker career. That was standing in line in 2009, trying to get a shoe that I thought was going to be mine. I get to the front of the line. I ask the gentleman what size you have left. He says, what size you need? Mac the Rebel responds, a size 12. He says, oh, a size 12. This gentleman just got it. That's the last pack that we had. 8.5 sounds more about it. I'm like, bro, I can't fit that. My foot's too big. I need a size 12. As you see, I'm a big kid. Oh man, well look, we're sold out of that size. Maybe they'll come out later in a few years. So maybe next time. Ladies and gentlemen, when I tell you this video is all about redemption, I've been waiting on this shoe for 12 long years, man, and I got my hands on it. So squad, with that being said, video up. It's time to bring that energy. Let's get to it. What's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy CJ Rebel, man. I'm back with another video for you today. You guys already know the vibes, man. Welcome to the most lit family in all of YouTube, guys. Welcome to all the new subscribers. You are now family, man. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for all those who hit the bell, liked, comment, guys. It just helps the channel grow in a positive direction. Just want to say thank you so much, guys. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers on the channel, so make sure you share this video, share this channel with your mom, your loved ones, your dad, your uncle, Lil Pookie and Ray Ray, whoever it is, man. Guys, just know that I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Also, family, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mac the Rebel, guys. For Twitter, throw an underscore at the end of the name. And family, make sure you check out some other videos that we have on the channel, like and comment on those as well. So, squad. All right, squad. So look, guys, you saw the first part of this video. I'm gonna tell you right now. Your boy was heartbroken in 2009, man. So heartbroken. And when I anticipated this shoe maybe re-releasing or restocking or coming back out in like the next 4 or 5 years, it didn't happen, man. Red is my favorite color. If anyone's asking, yes, family, I know y'all always see me in black or black and white or whatever, but red is my favorite color. And so when this pack was announced in 2009, I was so excited. But fast forward, squad, to 2021, we have the return. And let's go ahead and do a review of the Air Jordan Retro 5 in its Toro Bravo colorway. Let's get into it. Now that we're back, man, you guys already know the vibes. You guys know what we're talking about. We're talking about the Air Jordan Retro 5, man, in its 2021 Toro Bravo rendition, guys. All right, last time we saw this shoe, family, it did come in the Raging Bull Defining Moments pack back in 2009, man. Back in the spring of 2009, I believe. Y'all fact check me on that. Make sure I had that timeline right. It has been 12 long years, guys, since we have seen this shoe. Now, granted, it is not the exact same as the 2009 pair, and there are a few differences, but to the younger sneakerhead out there, probably really doesn't matter, but to the older sneakerhead, there's some pretty key differences, man, that may turn an older sneakerhead away from it and a new sneakerhead to be like, okay, well, cool, I'll take it, whatever. So, squad, let me first off start by saying this. Me personally, I love this shoe. This is a size 12. Yes, this is staying with me. This is my baby, all right? I've been talking about this shoe since it was announced last year and rumor milled the year before that. So yes, this shoe is staying with your boy, man. All right, so anyway, squad, let's go ahead and get into the review, guys. One thing about the Raging Bull or the Toro Bravo 2021 suede, whatever you want to call it, guys, the shoe is really dope. And if you got your hands on the alternate grape 5 that came out, I think the alternate grape 5 came out in 2020, it's literally the same suede quality, literally the exact same thing. If you take off the alternate grape color, that purple, blue, indigo-ish type of color, you slap this Raging Bull Toro Bravo red on it, change the laces from purple to red, you have the exact same shoe for the most part. Now, the suede on this shoe, guys, is nothing like the 2009 pair. It's a lot more smooth, it's a lot more subtle on this pair, whereas the 2009 pair was really, really smooth, and it was like a really deep, high quality suede. Whenever you see suede, guys, that gives you like that ash to solid motion, definitely a much higher quality. That 2009 Toro Bravo was a much higher quality than this pair. That's not to say that this pair isn't great, because this is a great shoe. Another difference, guys, is that with the toe box on this shoe, it is a lot more flat, whereas the 2009 pair does slant up a little bit more to give you more room for the toe box. This toe box is a lot more narrow, where the 2009 pair is a lot more wider. Also, the reds on this one, I wish I had, and guys, no, I don't have a 2009 pair to compare it to, because remember, I was in line and the dude said, "We don't have a size 12, man, he just bought it, man." So I don't have a pair to compare it to, guys. All right, the 2009 pair, the suede on it, like I said, the quality is a lot deeper, the toe box is a lot bigger, the shoe is a little bit wider. Also, the tongue stands a lot higher on this 2021 pair than the 2009 pair. All right, and the red is a little bit, oh, actually a little bit, this red is a lot brighter than that other Raging Bull pair, guys, all right, from 2009. So a few key differences, man, nothing too crazy, but as far as this shoe goes, guys, you do have a nice subtle red suede, 23 imprinted on the back right here, outlined in black thread to give it a little bit of pop and raised look. You have that Jumpman logo right there on the back of the shoe. You have a 3M Jumpman tongue, guys, and I will say the 3M tongue looks amazing in the dark, man. It's a really dope concept, okay? Another key difference is on the netting and on the icy sole. So with the 2021 pair, guys, you do get a icy blue sole, all right, and on, ooh, thumbnail. And on the 2021 pair, guys, you do have the icy blue sole, where you had a clear, more translucent sole on the 2009 pair, okay? Same thing with the netting or the web material, whatever you want to call this. It was a clear material as well, where this one does have a small tint of that icy blue in it, all right? And that's mainly it, squad. On the inside, you do, of course, have that Jumpman logo in there, and you do have that red Jumpman logo on the bottom inside of that icy sole as well, all right? Then you do have the red, a clear lace cap, guys, with the red button right here. Really dope shoe, man. I can't lie. Guys, when I actually hit, first time ever hitting on a Nike Reserve pass, like where I could like literally go to the Nike store and get it. I've never done that before, man. So not only did this shoe have a 12-year hiatus in my life, but then I also had my first ever hit on a Nike Reserve pass in the sneakers app. Oh yeah, this was definitely coming home with your boy, man. So squad, this is the pair right here. Really dope shoe, guys. All right, if you missed out on it, man, I will say just keep checking. I'm assuming there are going to be some restocks on this shoe. I think this shoe was one of the more mass-produced shoes. I know a lot of stores like Foot Locker and Foot Actions and all these other foot site stores, guys, some stores did not get their pairs, so make sure you tuned into your apps to make sure that you do have a shoe available, okay? So this is the pair right here, squad. This is the box that it came in, man. So the box is actually really cool in that it is like a brown wood graphic box with like a red reflective Jumpman. It's really dope, man. If you guys don't know, the 2009 pack actually came in like this bigger like double box, but the box was outlined in like a wood graphic similar to this one. It was really fire, man. Anyways, guys, red Jumpman, you know, brown all the way around. There aren't any extra Jumpman logos or extra Nike branding on the box except right here on the bottom, where you get all that information about, you know, where it comes from, the air unit and things like that. All right, and then guys, you do have the inside of the box. Nothing exciting at all, just your traditional inside of the Jordan 5 box, and you do have just some white paper to wrap this shoe up in, okay? So squad, that's mainly it, y'all. All I gotta say is this, man. I love the thrill of the hunt for getting shoes like this, man. It's just, guys, it's just so refreshing. Like, I think that's the word I'm gonna go with, man. It's just refreshing. Like, to see people get their pairs and everything, it's just a really dope thing to see in the sneaker game, guys. I know that there are some people, man, who did not get their hands on the Air Jordan Retro 5 Toro Bravos, guys. Like I said, just stay locked in and keep it locked on the channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Yo, squad, matter of fact, let me know in the comment section, guys, how exactly you feel about the Air Jordan Retro 5 in their Toro Bravo colorway, man. Were you around in 2009? Did you get your hands on the 2009 pack? Did you have the 3M Black Jordan, which I'm hoping will come out very, very soon since we got the red one, who knows? But yeah, squad, in the comment section, guys, just let me know your thoughts and opinions on this shoe and on this video, all right? And squad, with that being said, man, it's your boy Matt the Rebel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys. Links to everything is in the description of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, family. It makes the channel grow and helps us go in a positive direction on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And with that being said, family, it's your boy CJ Rebel, man. I'm checking out. I'll see you in the next one, and we out. Peace.